Let it rain, let it rain, let your love rain down on me. Eric Clapton, the legendary guitarist, songwriter, and singer, is known for his influential contributions to rock and blues music. One of his notable tracks, Let It Rain, showcases his masterful guitar skills and emotive vocals, becoming a classic in his extensive repertoire. His enduring talent continues to inspire generations of musicians and fans worldwide. This marked yet another unforgettable instance from Verse and Verve, the poetry of popular music, a collection thoughtfully assembled by Calavox.